leadership of the People's Democratic Party invites you to alert the nation that the life of our victorious Osun State governorship candidate, Senator Ademola Adeleke, is in danger. It may interest you to know that certain desperate elements of the All Progressives Congress who are unsettled that they cannot stop Senator Adeleke from retrieving his governorship mandate freely given to him by the people of Osun State are now viciously plotting to use all means to put him out of circulation. Given the series of unrelenting attacks, threats, and the desperation now being exhibited by the APC, our party has become apprehensive that there are plots to silence Senator Adeleke as a way to terminate his efforts to retrieve his governorship mandate in the courts. Part of the plot is to frame and arrest the principal of his school, Ede Muslim High School, Ede, Mr. Kadili Adejare Abbas, on trump-up charges that Senator Adeleke's school testimonial was forged with the aim of using such fabrication as a basis to smear and clamp down on Senator Adeleke. Nigerians will recall that the PDP had earlier alerted the public that having failed in their project to brand Senator Adeleke's WAEC certificate as fake, APC leaders, particularly those operating from Lagos, were weaving a new fabrication that Senator Adeleke's school testimonial was forged, in quotes. The PDP has also informed the public of how a former commissioner in Osun State was used by the APC leaders to reach and compromise certain top police officers to use the fabrications to arrest and embarrass Senator Adeleke, as well as the principal of his school, Ede Muslim High School, even when they have not committed any crime. Yesterday, April 24, 2019, the Nigerian police, in collaboration with the APC, again arrested Mr. Abbas, the principal of the Ede Muslim High School, Ede, as well as the wife of the school's registrar, Mrs. Rofiyat Oladepo, and her 9-month-old baby. Information available to the PDP shows that AIG Adeleye Oyebade of Zone 2 Oshogbo ordered the arrest of the innocent principal of the school and the registrar. When the registrar, Mr. Kabir Oladipo, could not be reached as he is undergoing treatment for legs and arms injuries, which he sustained in a motor accident, AIG Oyebade allegedly ordered one ASP Faliu to arrest his wife, Mrs. Rofiyat Oladepo, with her 9-month-old baby. Both the innocent mother and her baby were dumped at Zone 2 police headquarters in Oshogbo, even as we speak. The PDP has also been informed of how AIG Oyebade allegedly told those who went to visit the detainees last night that they are continuing the criminal aspect of the civil action commenced by the APC, which is still in court, even as we speak. The PDP holds that it is most unfortunate that the Nigerian police will allow certain elements within its rank to yield themselves as tools in the hands of the oppressive APC in their desperation to thwart the mandate of the people of Osun State, which they freely gave to Senator Ademola Adeleke. It is clear that there is no way a school principal who duly signed and issued a school testimonial under his own hand and position can be said to have forged the same testimonial. More so, as the school register as well as the WAEC result and certificate eminently show that Senator Adeleke attended the school, sat for WAEC examination, and obtained the certificate, which has been validated even by a court of competent jurisdiction, thus also authenticating the school testimonial. The PDP therefore calls on the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Adam Mohammed, to call his men to order on issues related to Senator Adeleke's determination to retrieve his governorship mandate, which was stolen by the All Progressives Congress. While the PDP also urges the IGP to order the immediate release of the innocent school principal, the wife of the school registrar, her baby of 9 months. Our party also counselled the APC and their allies to end their schemes against Senator Adeleke, as they will all come to naught in the face of justice and the will of the people of Osun State. I thank you for coming. Any question?
Question, colleagues? Question? If any.
Self-explanatory?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No question will bring the question.